we see the compassion practice as a way to begin to heal, to really allow us to heal the racial traumas that are very different from us, that are very different across racial spectrums, I guess I should say. And we'd like to think of this metaphor, we'd like to think of the metaphor of healing rather than like the metaphor for bridge, right? You often hear that we're trying to bridge racial difference. We're trying to say, oh, we're trying to be bridge builders. The problem with that metaphor, we believe, is it creates this false idea that these groups are somehow actually separate, right? Within the Christian tradition, we all believe that we're all created in the image of God, that we all are part of the body of Christ, even, right? And so when you have the metaphor of a bridge, what it's basically saying is we have to find some false construction, something that's not something to keep us together. Um, and what we like to suggest is it's not so much a bridge that we need, is there's an open wound that has been allowed to fester in Christianity, in American Christianity specifically, that hasn't been allowed to heal. And so what the compassion practice does is it gives us the tools to tend to that wound, to heal it, to allow it to actually scab over. The scar is always going to be there. The scar is a part of the legacy of racism, particularly within the Christian tradition, but we can heal. That is something that we can do if we go through the proper kinds of treatment.